previously.
Achilles is competing this weekend, ADCC Poland. Let's go.
ADCC Poland is one of the strongest tournaments in Europe.
Let's go.
Today is, what day is today? Today is Thursday, the 15th, April 15, 2023. We are in Poland. Solobalova or something like that is the name of the city. Just woke up, we're gonna get breakfast and we're gonna go to a castle today. We're gonna go see a Polish castle. Excited? Who's excited? Someone is. Kiki? Yeah. Alright.
Slide? Sure.
Alright, they're here to pick us up and we're gonna go to the castle.
No.
We're gonna do now.
Where are we gonna go now, Michael? Tell the camera.
We are going to Windsuit, and there is a very beautiful castle.
Yay, let's do it.
Let's go.
Because tomorrow is ADCC.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm asking.
In the morning, wake up and go to ADCC.
So we leave to Warsaw tonight.
Yeah.
You have rooms up there?
Yes. Can I go there?
Room czy apartment?
Żeby nie było przypału jutro, wiesz.
Alright, we're here, I think. Portuguese. Yes.
Chinese and Polish, three the most difficult languages.
Difficult language. Wow. The weather is perfect. Like perfect weather. Not too hot, not too cold.
Beautiful.
But they go
What's a more, Achilles? Back in the days,
You can continue.
people used to fill this with water around the castles and stuff like that. So the castle will have only one entrance. I mean, I'm sure people know this, right? But if you're like me and you didn't know, now you know.
yeah in the end.
Super cool.
So you can take.
Okay,
Yes, I don't
awesome.
need to-
Alright guys, this is it right here. Let's go.
All by itself. It's like those robots that we have in between the floors in the house. Huh?
Happy now? Food.
Mozzarella. No. A tu już pływa wszystko.
A w pro to możesz się znaleźć na sklepie.
It was more like a palace. Right? That was a palace.
Sorry?
The castle was like a palace.
Yeah.
Castle's like the one we went last time was a castle. Remember the old castle.
We just got back in our hotel. We slept. We took a long nap until getting here. We're still not like adapted to the whole time zone change. It's like 6 hours ahead from in United States, so I feel like we eat, we take a nap, we eat, we take a nap. Anyway, just heard that tonight we're gonna go to this other city, Warsaw. It's like 2 hours from here, I think. But Wagner's still gonna teach a seminar here tonight, and then we're gonna drive during the night. Just got here at the hotel, and I'll keep you guys updated.
Hello.
What's the name of the channel?
This is a local TV from Stella Stella TV.
Always hold your distance. Now look, distance, up, out, hook.
On the face, yeah. I know. Me and him right now, we similar stuff.
Why would I say that? Because I have a teenage son. My son's 16. I know what good is. I know when I grab good, I'm like, oh, this kid's good. Like, I can feel you good. You know? But if you want to leave this place, you want to go to something else in your life, or you want to be like everybody else, you have to work harder than everybody else. You have to come, you have to do more. You show up here, help the kids drill, train, work out. You got to do more. Because you have to do more. Look at that guy right there, see? He's lucky. He started when he was 4 years old. His dad did jiu-jitsu. He lived in the jiu-jitsu gym. He gets to train every day. That's his life. He knows nothing else. You have to do it for yourself. You have to go chase that dream. I did that. I did. I was young with kids, and I told you, 2 jobs, and I did it. If I can do it, anybody can do it. I saw you moving. I said, man, that kid's really good. That's why I didn't even train. I didn't even touch you. I looked at you and I said, man, how long have you been training? How old are you? 20. I'm like, man, it's really good. Focus. Really focus. And help all the other kids in here. You're a little older, right? There's some 15, 16, 17. Focus. Make a group. Build a group. Build a team. That's what team is. You know, like I said, Boris is a diamond.
We can go sometime.
Boris is a diamond. A big diamond. A big. Because he knows everything and he knows everyone. He knows jiu-jitsu, he knows working out, he knows the world. Easy for you to go. To point you, go here. Go there. I know this guy, go there. Train with this person, do this.
Thank you very much.
Let's go, man.
But can I get some? It's 5:30 in the morning. Woke up really early today because we're gonna drive. It's a 3 hours drive that we're gonna do to Warsaw. Achilles is gonna compete the ADCC Open today, and we're gonna get breakfast right now, and then we're gonna get on our way. So yeah. Just got here from the drive. What happened?
It says disqualified. I don't know why.
No show, disqualified. Oh, yeah. Achilles' first match. Guy didn't show up. Alright, warming up in the warm-up room right now. In about half an hour or so, he's gonna have his first fight. Oh, actually, his first fight the guy got DQ, so this is like his second. If he wins all the way, he's gonna have about four fights total. The guys here looks really tough, all of the guys.
beat Achilles, gotta be like me.
All right, people. 1 down, 3 to go.
Ile wygrał na punkty?
3-0. Ale mówisz, że muszę na
Dawaj, Świru!
Thank you, sir.
He kept smacking me and he's like, well, okay.
I poked you right in the face.
No, and he smacked me like 3 times before that.
Save your countrymen. I say you save your countrymen.
right? Yeah, but you was all part of it, so but you know how it works. If he's in the submission position, he can get penalty for the story. If he'll be just in the mount, obviously there'll be minus point after.
Anybody. You don't have to be strong, you don't have to be big, you don't have to be rich, you don't have to be talented. You just have to know how to work hard. Not everybody can do it. If one of you think you can do it, I like to see it. But you guys gotta want to do it yourself. Who wants to change your life? Who's gonna change your life for you? Who's gonna change your life? Who's gonna change your life? Huh?
Me.
Who?
Me.
That's right. Only you. That's it. That's the goal.
Read about this Tartarians. Yeah, this is the Holocaust. We talk the same USA do with the Indians.
All right, we just got here at our Airbnb. Let's check it out. Here's one room. Oh, what's the view? Okay.
Boris and Achilles gonna share a bed. Achilles is a hugger. You better watch him, man. He's gonna try to hug you, Boris.
Here's another one.
I sleep in the car.
Bathroom.
You share that bed. There's enough space over there.
I sleep on the couch.
Oh, this is really nice, actually. Very nice. This is very nice. Is this an Airbnb?
Yes.
Yeah. Videos. We are at this ramen place. So they got kombucha. I'm about to try this flavor and eat some ramen. Yes, the eggs. Oh, I love you, Achilles. Thank you.
Get my eggs. Don't touch my eggs.
Alright. We're gonna eat them. Talk to you guys soon. What's up, Cham? Give me Cham. Give me Cham. I love you.
I do not like the cold.
Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go. Bora, bora, bora.
Sempre com fome.
Família que é esfomeada.
Always hungry.
Esfomeada, sempre comendo. Vou comer. Hã? How's it? That's so good too.